Smart baby.
Do you want Daddy to hold some?
She's like, no, I got it.
Good job.
Oh, she's got the game. Oh, you missed one. Where's the rest of it?
What's this way?
Look. Oh, there's more. Yay! You found your Easter basket. Ooh.
Good job. Grab your ducky. Grab the ducky.
Oh, she wants the book. Oh, good job.
Want me to hold it?
You're going to be a little bookworm, aren't you? You want us to read it?
Oh, pretty fluffy ducky.
Go get your ducky.
What about that ducky? You can take it.
She's going to put it back for us. What's that?
Oh, egg.
And green stuff. I probably shouldn't have bought that stuff, but I'll have fun with it. Ooh.
Yeah, you want to eat it?
I don't even know what it is. Chocolate? Ooh.
It's a carrot. Yummiest carrot you've ever had.
There you go. What else is in the basket? Lizzie, grab the ducky. You're so distracted by candy. There's so much of it. That is a lot of candy.
Let's take a bite and then give her the end piece.
Okay.